In this video, I'll show you how to set the default paper size to A4 in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. First, what does paper size mean? Paper size controls the size of the page in your Word document. Common paper sizes include letter or A4. To change your document to A4 permanently, to set it as default, we need to open up Microsoft Word. We then go to Layout at the top of the ribbon, and then we're going to click Size. From here, I want you to select on A4. Now, obviously mine is already stated as A4, so just select that, that's fine. Then you're going to go to Page Setup, which is this little arrow here. Select it once. And in this window, we're going to click onto Paper. And we are going to go to make sure it says paper size says A4, then apply to this whole document. Now this is crucial. We need to select Set as Default. Select this once. So from here, we're going to click Yes. And now A4 has been set as the default page size. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more about how to format and customize your page in Microsoft Word, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.